true acceptance, I mean that the nervously ill person must try to release that tense hold on himself and be prepared to let his stomach churn, let his heart race, let his body bring whatever sensations it will, and not be so impressed by these sensations. I know how distressing they are. I know exactly how much I'm asking when I ask for acceptance. Indeed, when I ask for utter acceptance. By utter acceptance, I mean that if his hands tremble, he should let them tremble. They're still good hands to use, whether they tremble or not. What matter if people notice? Acceptance means being prepared even for this. Acceptance means being prepared to take every strange experience his body may bring, every trick it may play upon him, without adding second fear, without adding, oh my goodness, and what if?